I woke up thinking about it. First thing in the morning, I was already in conversation with Colonel Pastor on sa akong buhaton. The reason really nga ka nang discom bitaw, mawagi na akong hilabti, because we need a space for evacuation in case there is to be one. So if you notice, gihawa na nila karon, no, so just in case, and also our hospitals. I've been bugging Colonel Pastor yung mga mobile clinics, iguwa na to in case ato mga hospital, kung nakabaw sa state sa mga district hospital, kung ma-patient ba. So, we are really gearing towards it. In fact, si Ellie, ang planning officer, is preparing the plan, no?
Yes.
CDR3. Ang iyang disaster risk management plan. Ako na lang ready, no, we need to have a checklist what to do, which hospital to go, inside affected. I was just looking at it just now. Hindi ko nga tatay ang capital if ever ma-update yun. That's why we have an alternative office there sa PDRRMO, the one in Busay. So we were really looking at alternatives right now. But once we have it, the entire plan, and then we will share it with the press.